To sync up Sketchfab with your 3ds account, you need to access sketchfab.com and create an account by signing up. Check your email to get the account confirmation code. Copy and paste it. Your account has been created. Now click Purchase or Download option. Choose the type of your profile. Click Continue. That is basically it. In your 3ds menu in the Virtual Staging section, click on Sync Sketchfab. You will have to log in with your Sketchfab account that you just created. And now you see that Sketchfab has been synced. You can search now for animated or non-animated 3D models and add them to your tour.